Johnny Boy's Hacks with Cydia Hacks Part 3. Now, first tweak of this video is InstalURL, which lets you search Google from anywhere in your home screen. So how I have it built in is I double tap the status bar and it'll let me search anything on Google, Bing or Yahoo, but I have it set to Google. Next tweak is motion, which is where you see all the apps flipping and turning and all that kind of great stuff there. Next app is rich text for email, which is pretty much you go into your email application, say you want to send a new email, and in the body we'll just write hi there, and if you hold down you will get some options. Go next here. It'll let you change the font, the bold, italicize, line through it, or underline it, and add pictures and so on. So for example, change the font here. I want to change it to, let's go Papyrus. Click done, and I continue writing. It is now in Papyrus. We change it again, select all, next, font, we can change it to this right here, and it changes the font right there. Next app is Springtomize 2. And in this, it lets you, get rid of like the labels on the apps, the folders. It lets you get rid of a lot of things, the dots, notification center, and just little tweaks here and there. So when it reloads, it doesn't take quite as long to load up everything. It just loads up, much quicker. Next tweak here is Winterboard, which everybody knows by now, which lets you select your own themes and themes to change how your icons look in the background and pretty much the user interface of the iPhone. Next tweak is Installous, which if you saw my last video I showed Installous, which lets you directs you into Installous and lets you download free applications. But this is just Installous itself, where you can download any kind of applications that you want. Next one is SBSettings, and if you have iOS 5, it has been integrated in Notification Center down here, which is pretty cool and pretty useful. And lastly is Cleanup. Now what's good about this application is if your iPhone or iTouch is running slow, you can click Cleanup and it'll clean up anything that is slowing it down, so to make it move faster. And that is it for Cydia Hacks Part 3.